All right. Good afternoon. It's about noon time. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Um, I'm taking a break from doing this and that outside. So I thought I show you. We're gonna install the second virtual machine. So let's open up this Oracle VM. And that's what we did last time. We installed Server 2022. Today we are going to install the second one, except this time we are going to install Windows 10. Alright, so we're gonna go grab the Windows 10 from Microsoft. This is going to be the Windows 10. Let me see, Windows 10 right there, Windows 10 download. This is going to be in order to use this guy, you're gonna have to have a that link like that. There you go. You're gonna have to have a key, product key, right? But we don't have product key. We're just going to use it. Let's see what is going to happen here. Right here it says create Windows 10 installation media. So let's click on that and let's run it. Yep, so that is just going to save that into our system or into our drive. It's just going to gather information for us. What this does is going to create an ISO file for us, similar to the ISO Windows Server 2022 that I downloaded. There you go. So we are going to accept. Let's see what it's going to prompt us next. Oh, now. Alright, so we are not going to upgrade this machine, that's for sure. We want to create an installation list, the ISO file. So let's select the second option and English, Windows 10, 64-bit version. So let's continue. Use recommended option. This machine, I'm going to deselect that. I'm just going to get the bare bone. Alright, now if you select this one, it's going to collect information about this machine and add updates to it, I believe. So I'm just going to deselect that, get the bare bone installation. Now this is what we want. We want the ISO file and select the ISO file and let's go next. And we are going to the C drive. Now last time we did, or I did, I put it right there. This time I'm going to put in the new folder. I'm going to call it Windows 10 ISO. Yes, that should be fine. Alright, so let's continue. And I've got this thing ready, so let's take a look at what it's doing here. Windows 10 right here. So it should, when it finishes, it should save it in that guy right there. Almost half way there. How are you guys doing? It's hot and humid outside. Ooh, we really need rain here. I have not seen rain for 2 months. So it's gotta rain sometime. The sooner the better, I guess. My grass is turning yellow. Alright, so I think it's trying to quit now. Oh yeah, it's got I thought it was at 100% a while ago. Did it go backwards? All right, it's done it. So let's finish. Let's finish. There's the file. There is the file. So we got the file, and I'm going to minimize this. We're going to pop back to this virtual machine. So we're going to create new. Let's create. How about Windows 10? That's good. And then we're gonna select this folder right here, go to other, and let's browse to C drive, virtual machine right there. Let's select that folder, and we're gonna keep everything intact. We're not gonna select ISO. Well, we can, so we can go ahead and do this right here. And then we're going to change that to right there. That is the folder that we create, and that's the file that we downloaded. So let's do that. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to leave this blank because I don't like this setup. I think if we do this setup right here, I think this is better. I'm going to move this guy to about 4 gig. And about 2 CPU. Let's go to 2 right there. And 50 gig is good. We got plenty. And that's that. So now, right here, this is where we're going to check our setups. I like these setups because now we can actually verify this. Make sure what we have is right, you know what I'm saying? So instead of selecting the ISO in that first screen, sometimes you miss certain things, you know. But right here, we're just gonna see if what we selected was right before we actually do it. Now we go right there again, empty. This time we're gonna select the file. Now that we verify all setups. All right, so there you go. So let's start this, and it should start installation. This should come up pretty quickly, and see what it does here. All right, there you go. Going to run the setups. That's nice. This is Windows 10. that this looks similar to the Windows Server 2022 that we installed earlier. Alright, see there, it looks similar. Let's see what else we have to do here. I don't have the key. You see there, it's on the bottom. I don't have the product key, so I'm just going to select that. We're gonna select the we're gonna select education. I think if you select the education, it's gonna give you a free version. Well, I'm just going to select Pro. Alright, I'm just going to select Pro, see what's going on here. Not sure what the education is. So again, we're going to select the second one, and that is the disk. There you go. Not sure how long it is, but I'm going to let it do its thing, and I'll be back when it finishes up. Alright, we are going to continue with selecting the United States. Hopefully this initial setup is not long here. It's the right keyboard, yep. A second keyboard, no. Or it's telling us to sit back and relax. So we're just going to sit back and relax. Alright, let's see what it does. We're just gonna use set up the first option, set up for personal use. Now if you select the second option, you're going to have to join the network. We don't have a network. Hopefully we will in the future, but right now we're just going to select this option right here. Alright. And email, nope, we're gonna skip this option. We don't have email. Let's do offline account again. let's do a limited experience then. There you go. Woo. Yeah, I don't want to give up my email all the time, you know. This way, Microsoft doesn't know who I am. I'm going to, let's see. Let's do Jack. Yeah, he's trying to collect your information there. So, alright, I think Jack is good. So let's continue. And password. Alright. Just gonna make it simple. It looks like it's not simple at all. It's long one. Let's try again here. Try again. I think I forgot. Lost my train of thought. Alright. Confirm. Uh-oh. That's the problem right there. To confirm. See if that works. Okay, that's good. 1 of 3. Question. Alright. Alright, so let's accept this default. I'm just going to select the default. Make with it. And skip. Oh, it asked me a lot of questions. Not now. Alright. Looking good. So okay, sure, why not? Yeah, install that Microsoft Edge, I guess. Microsoft Edge as a default. Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna close this. There. Alright. We got our Windows. We got our Windows 10. That's what we came to do. So there you have it. That's just installation for the second virtual machine. And you can basically browse and do things. Alright. I'm not gonna install anything just yet. I'm just going to see if we can have these 2 items. Alright, 2 virtual machines. So that's that for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.